Range of hearing. The average person has a normal hearing range that falls between 20 Hz on the low side and approximately 20,000 Hz on the high side. Children under the age of 5 and some animals such as dogs can hear up to 25 kHz. The hearing range of humans gets worse with age. People lose the ability to hear sounds of high frequency as they grow older. Sounds of frequencies below 20 Hz are called infrasonic sound or infrasound. Some animals like whales and elephants produce sounds in the infrasound range. Frequencies higher than 20 kHz are called ultrasonic sound or ultrasound. Dogs can hear some ultrasound, thus a dog trainer can use an ultrasound whistle to call his dog. Ultrasound is even more important for bats because they rely on ultrasound to see the world.